Hello guys. ये अभी सिल्वर में एक ट्रेड बना था। अभी बुक करना है तो बुक कर सकते हो पार्शल प्रॉफिट। और क्रूड में एक काउंटर ट्रेड था 1:1.75 का। आई थिंक टारगेट ही हिट हो चुका है और 13 EMA पे सपोर्ट ले चुका है। सो एज ऑफ नाउ स्टिल देर इज़ नो न्यू ट्रेड, and if you want to book partial profit in silver you can book here, and also RSI is going up, stochastic RSI. So could be one sell trade that we will soon watch in crude, sorry, in silver. So wait for a bit for any fresh trade. In the meantime अगर आपको कोई कुछ क्वेश्चन हो, आपको कुछ सवाल हो, तो आप चैट बॉक्स में डाल सकते हो, या फिर डायरेक्ट मेरा टेलीग्राम है उसके ऊपर भी आप मुझे डाल सकते हो। अभी मैं आपको इसमें टेलीग्राम लिंक भी दे रहा हूँ, वो कांटेक्ट पे ऊपर आप डायरेक्टली मुझे पूछ सकते हो। सिल्वर में ऑलमोस्ट टारगेट हो चुका है, बट एग्जैक्ट टारगेट नहीं आया। बट आप अगर कोई ट्रेड में हो तो यहाँ पे बुक कर सकते हो, और यहाँ से भी रिवर्सल का एक सेल ट्रेड बन सकता है सिल्वर में भी। हम्म। ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट, अभी देखते हैं और अदर कमोडिटीज़ क्या कर रही है। देखो ये सिल्वर में भी ये बाई ट्रेड है, और ये ऑलरेडी एक टारगेट अचीव हो चुका है अपना छोटा सा काउंटर ट्रेड के लिए 1:1.7। ये जो जोन है फ्रॉम 6380 टू 6420, either side of a breakout can give the momentum. Till then we have to just wait and watch. Let's see other commodities क्या कर रही है। अभी इसको मैं रिमूव कर रहा हूँ। अपना टारगेट यहाँ तक था 968, 50%। अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा 1 आवर टाइम फ्रेम पे दिखाऊँ आपको सिल्वर में, if I will just show you the silver on 1 hour time frame. So I just take this uptrend because from here it has sustained each and every low. So I'm taking this uptrend and I mark this 61.8%, then 50. So from here to here I'm watching this thing till here. So that's why I made that trade setup, but it already gave me 1:1.7 here and here as well, 1:1.7. Okay, so now let's see what other commodities are doing. So कॉपर का चार्ट है, थोड़ा कचरा हटा देते हैं। You can directly ask me on my telegram. I have already pinned the contact of my telegram on this chat box. You can open that and directly send a personal message to me. आप पर्सनल मैसेज डायरेक्ट डाल सकते हो अगर कुछ क्वेरी हो, या फिर यहाँ चैट बॉक्स में भी आप लिख सकते हो। सो कॉपर के लिए अभी ये जोन जो है ये हो गया आपका 710 से लेके 709.25, 709.25 से लेकर 710, इसके ऊपर सस्टेन होना ज़रूरी है इसको, तभी आपको एक बाई ट्रेड मिल सकता है, वरना एक 707.35 पे अगर डीप मिले 707.35 अगर 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे देखेंगे, सो 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे 13 EMA 200 EMA को क्रॉस ओवर कर चुका है। सो इसमें एक अभी ट्रेंड जो है वो बुलिश ट्रेंड में आ चुका है। ये आप पास्ट में जब भी देखोगे कि जब 13 EMA 200 EMA को क्रॉस करता है, तब देर इज़ अ चांस दैट इट विल कम टू रिटेस्ट एंड देन देर विल बी द बुलिश ट्रेड। सो अभी वेट करेंगे क्योंकि स्टोकेस्टिक RSI सिग्नल नहीं दे रहा है अभी बुलिश के लिए, तो एक रिट्रेसमेंट के लिए वेट करेंगे, वरना कॉपर में इसको ब्रेकआउट करने देंगे, रिटेस्ट करने देंगे एंड देन बाई करेंगे। अदरवाइज़ इसको यहाँ पे आना देंगे, यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेने देंगे एंड देन यहाँ से बाई करेंगे। ये जोन तक का टारगेट रहेगा अपना। अभी देखते हैं इसको और थोड़ा नीचे आने दो 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे। सो कॉपर में भी अभी कोई फ्रेश एंट्री नहीं है। नेचुरल गैस अभी ब्रेकडाउन देने आ रहा है नीचे, ऑलरेडी 13 EMA 200 EMA के नीचे चला गया है। सो इसमें हो सकता है कि अभी ये डाउन ट्रेंड स्टार्ट हो चुका है, तभी ये जो जोन है, ये जोन आपका है 530 से लेके, सो ये जोन है आपका 530 से लेके 527.5। ये तकरीबन 2.5 पॉइंट की रेंज है, जिसमें एक आपका सपोर्ट के तौर पे काम करेगा। ये आपका हो गया 545, 539 एंड ये हो गया आपका 533 एंड डायरेक्टली नीचे ये बाउंस करके आ सकता है 520.50। ये हो गया आपका एक नेचुरल गैस में ये ट्रेड। क्रूड में देखते हैं, क्रूड में अभी भी सेलिंग चालू है, बट 13 EMA के नीचे अगर कोई भी कैंडल क्लोज दिया तो देर इज़ अ चांस दैट इट विल ट्राई टू कम टू रिटेस्ट 6380 एंड 6380 के नीचे अगर गया, वॉल्यूम बंद करने दीजिए, अभी तक 13 EMA को सपोर्ट दे रहा है, अगर इसके नीचे गया तो चांसेस आर देयर इट विल कम टू टेस्ट 6346, बट उससे पहले कि यहाँ पे एक स्विंग है और ये एक छोटा सा 6373 का स्विंग है। सो इंटरमीडिएट टारगेट अगर मैं डालूँ तो ये एक आपको एक छोटा सा रेंज मिलेगा। सो ये आपका रेंज हो गया 6360 टू 6365। एंड ये आपका बहुत बड़ा जोन है 6380 टू 6420। इसके ऊपर बाय एंड इसके नीचे सेल, इसके नीचे भी वापस प्रेशर आ सकता है, और एक चीज़ ये भी हो सकता है यहाँ से बाउंस भी कर सकता है। सो अभी फ़िलहाल तो क्रूड में अभी मोमेंटम इतना कुछ खास नहीं है, अभी ज़िगज़ैग ही चल रहा है। और एक बात नेचुरल गैस में ना, आज एक उसका इन्वेंटरी डेटा आने वाला है 9 बजे, एल्यूमिनियम देखेंगे यहाँ पे, तो एक ट्रेंड लाइन दिखेगा आपको अभी फ़िलहाल। ये एक जो ट्रेंड लाइन था ये कभी पुराना वाला ट्रेंड लाइन है, एंड ये रहा आपका अभी का ट्रेंड लाइन। सो एल्यूमिनियम में भी सेलिंग आ सकती है अभी फ़िलहाल, क्योंकि स्टोकेस्टिक आर एस 15 मिनट पे ऑलरेडी अप साइड पे है। तो यहाँ से एक बार अगर नीचे आए और उसका ये ब्रेक डाउन हो जाए, और 5 मिनट में देख लेते हैं 5 मिनट में क्या बोल रहा है। जनरली 5 मिनट इतना कुछ मायने नहीं रखता, एक बाउंस बैक होना चाहिए एंड देन एक बार सेलिंग आ सकती है एल्यूमिनियम में। सो ये जो रेंज है वो रेंज है आपकी 211 से लेके 211, सॉरी 211.50 टू 211.75। सो ये रहा आपका एल्यूमिनियम में। इसको अभी क्लोज कर देते हैं ये ट्रेड को ऑलरेडी, क्योंकि ये एक काउंटर ट्रेड ही था। आपको एक प्रॉपर ट्रेड मिलेगा क्रूड में जब 6422 के ऊपर एक बार सस्टेन करने लगे। जिंक जिंक में अभी कुछ नहीं है फिलहाल। क्रूड एक ब्रेकआउट देने आ सकता है यहाँ से। नेचुरल गैस अभी भी सपोर्ट के पास ही है। Sure, we I will try to speak in both the language, English and Hindi. So for crude, it has to sustain above 6420. So if you see on the crude chart, so if it gives the breakout, then you can enter live on the breakout, aim for 6443, and then on the top you will see this level 6484. 6484. So this can be one scenario for the crude oil. Everyone able to listen my voice, huh? And NG is going to, let's see, if it is breaking down 527.5, then there will be again selling of to reach it till 520.50. So wait and watch for the crude either side. If it is breaking this zone, quick scalping trade till this 6360, then 6346 and 6322. So these are the scenario. These are the scenario in crude oil, and still NG is sustaining this range and kind of making M pattern here. If you see, it is making M pattern, So you break down, retest, and then this could be one scenario. Otherwise, gap like breaking out, retest, and then this will be your another scenario. If it is sustained above 539, then there is a chance that it will go 545, then 550 till here for natural gas. And if you want to watch silver, so as expected, silver is falling down from this range. So wait for this. If it is going down below 61.8, then again the fresh selling will come to even push it down to 67208. So still it is just wait and watch for all this thing. Silver is already falling down, already came here till this zone. If it is breaking down this zone, then this. Otherwise, if it is bounce again and retest again, then this, and again like this, and here again, this will be your scenario for silver. But as of now I can see chances are there that it will fall more for silver. So this is one trend line for your stochastic RSI. If you watch on 5 minutes, so 5 minute there is a signal of a bounce back, so it will be your max target till this 13 EMA if it is bouncing back from here. So let's keep it just on 15 minutes as of now. And crude oil is still sideways, And in the meantime, you have any question, if anyone have any question related to any stock or any trade, feel free to ask or type in the chat. So as of now, I'm just focusing on silver and crude. If you have any question, if किसी को भी कुछ क्वेश्चन है या कुछ डाउट है किसी के रिलेटेड या किसी का लेवल्स चाहिए तो आप पूछ सकते हो. और ये कॉपर अभी यहाँ से रिजेक्शन ले रहा है. लेट्स सी अगर 707.35 पे ये सपोर्ट ले रहा है कि नहीं. नेचुरल गैस अभी भी यही जोन पे बैठा हुआ है. But there will be chance that natural gas inventory will come and it will bounce. Let's see what natural gas inventory. What natural gas is saying. So previous was 21 billion in negative, and forecast is 45 billion in negative. So means it is increasing in negative way. So demand ज़्यादा है. So demand is high in natural gas as per the forecast. So there will be chance if actual will come near this 45 billion or even more negative, then there will be chance that the natural gas will spike up. So feel free to write any question. किसी को भी कुछ question है तो बेझिझक पूछ सकते हैं. Feel free to ask any question if anyone have. So far only crude and NG and silver. As of now I'm only giving you that much of trade setup. Market is totally sideways in crude. Gold, better avoid gold as of now. Copper is copper has to be either take the support from here or it has to sustain above 710. So for copper it could be like this or directly like this, and another scenario will be like this for copper. So this will be the setup for the copper. Silver is stuck in this zone. So they are still sustaining about 13 EMA. So there will be chance that it can go up. If I even watch on the smaller time frame, still it is just a range bound and little bit of a kind of a trend line is here for silver. So sorry, for crude, let's see. Crude is stuck in this zone as of now. What can be done? So silver again bouncing from this trend line of this stochastic RSI. It has to break down to give the proper downfall, and even on 5-minute time frame I told you, like we can see it should bounce from this zone and also making kind of a double bottom. So it can go till here again. So for silver it has to either break this zone or break down this 61.8 for the proper direction. So either break out this zone or break down this zone. So this will be your silver. Till then just stay light, or if you are in silver long, hold with the stop loss of this. So this is silver and this is crude. So there is a chance that crude will go up, but we have to take the trade once it break out sustainably on 6420. Till then just wait and watch game, and let me apply this prints of order flow. So as of now on this candle, order flow is showing a bit negative, if you see here, and same let me apply on silver. Silver is also showing as of now negative, and this will giving you the breakdown. If anyone wants to trade in silver mini, so this was the level to sort it, and one can see a kind of a bearish flag, and then it is again coming up to test, and the same trend line you will see here in stochastic RSI. So price already gave the breakdown of this trend line, and stochastic RSI soon will give the breakdown, or maybe it will jump, trap some people, and then it will give the bounce on the downside. So for the downside, if you planning for silver mini, so it will be the same scenario. So from here let's take the recent swing only. So recent swing I will take from this 13 EMA. So this is your Fibonacci levels for silver, and yeah, silver is now going to give a down move. So let's say if you want to short the silver, wait for this candle to close, or wait this 5-minute candle to close if you want to trade in silver mini or silver. So I will say if it is closing below this closing of this candle, or the if you are a safe trader, then I will prefer that short silver only below this 61.8% level, which is 67,570. So if silver close below this, then you can take the trade like this till another 500 point down move. But till then just wait and watch. Right now better not to enter on this live candle. क्रूड स्टिल स्टक एट इन द सेम जोन. क्रूड अभी भी वहीं पे फंसा हुआ है, कुछ ज़्यादा अप या डाउन नहीं हो रहा है, यही जोन में है. जब तक ये जोन में है तब तक बेटर है कुछ ना करो. और आई थिंक ये क्रूड का आज का एक्सपायरी है ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, इसलिए ज़्यादा मोमेंटम नहीं है इसमें. लेट्स फोकस ऑन एनजी. व्हाट इज सो कॉपर इज अगेन पुलिंग इट अप फ्रॉम 13 EMA. Natural gas trying to sustain this zone. Let's see if this price action happens, then it will be buy trade for natural gas. anyone have any question or any suggestion or doubt that you want to take the advice from me? Feel free to ask. इन द मीन टाइम कुछ गाना सुनते हैं साथ में. अगर किसी को ये सेटअप क्या है वो जानना है तो भी पूछ सकते हो कि ये क्या कौन सा सेटअप है. सो अभी क्रूड डाउन साइड मोमेंट दे रहा है बट स्टिल ये जोन के नीचे चाहिए अपने को. So NG again back in the green zone, bounced from the support 527 530 zone. So let's see how it can sustain, if it is sustaining, or again coming back to take the support from here and sustain. Then again we will see the bounce till 539, and if it sustain above 539, then we can see the level of 545. But if this scenario played out, then we will see the downfall till 520. क्रूड स्टिल अभी भी जोन में है, क्रूड स्टिल इन द जोन, 40 पॉइंट का जोन है, 63802 6420, उसके अंदर अभी स्क्वीज हो रहा है. Let's see how it will played out, on which side it will give the breakout. So this is the first candle which gave the breakdown of 13 EMA. And let's see if it gets the follow up or not. Here if you are in sell trade, here it will be better you book the profit. Crude will be just going for the scalping. In this zone it is just a scalping. So again rejecting natural gas. And let's see what is silver up to. Silver again bouncing back. So again trying to, so for silver mini, if you are trading in silver mini, buy only if it sustain above this 67,941. Till then do not take any entry in silver long. If it sustain above, अगर इसके ऊपर ही सस्टेन हो रहा है, then you will go long in silver mini, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो 1 2 3 थर्ड टाइम रिजेक्शन ले रहा है. अगर ब्रेकआउट दिया तो वो सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा अभी, बट अगर ये रिजेक्शन कंटिन्यू रहा देन देयर विल बी अ सेल ऑफ. सो टिल देन सिल्वर अभी भी बीरेसी दिख रहा है मुझे, इसके ऊपर ही बुलिश हो सकता है, जो 50% ऑफ रिट्रेसमेंट लेवल है अपना स्टोकेस्टिक सॉरी अपना फिब रिट्रेसमेंट का. Silver and crude still. Crude is completely in this zone. It has to come out from this zone on either side. It's just a wait and watch game for crude. And copper again below this zone. Wait and watch. Natural gas trying to bounce. Let's see if it sustains this 633 level or not. If it sustains 633 level, then we will see 639 level soon. If anyone have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask. Hmm. Natural gas. Okay, let's see if it is now taking the support from 530 or it is just going down, because one trade is like this, breaking down, retest, and then go down. So I think crude is breaking down now. Yeah, but the problem is this zone is immediate flip zone for crude. This was the signal to enter in the short trade. It already achieved the target earlier, and now we are just waiting because here stochastic RSI is already at the bottom. Silver again testing this line, trend line. So now wait and watch here. If you are in the short, this is your target for this, already achieved. If crude is falling, then silver should start to jump. But let's see. Good evening, Dayanand. So this is the setup of silver as of now and crude falling now. Anyone have any question or doubt can post in the chat or directly write me on the Telegram. My contact is already pinned in the chat box. If you see the pin message, you will directly get the contact for my personal Telegram. Yeah, for aluminum, so this is the trade for aluminum. If you see aluminum, this is the trend line. From that it has rejected, and if you see here stochastic RSI on 15-minute time frame, it is about to give the breakdown. So from here small trade will be till 13 EMA and very big target will be till 211.50. If it sustain here, then from here there will be bounce in aluminum that we can see, and then the scenario will look like this: breakout, break down again, and coming here, and if it retest successful, then this could be first scenario. So let me just put it a bit like this. Second scenario, going down, fail, and then, so this is your second scenario in aluminum. So these are the two scenario in aluminum, and silver is still holding that level, but I'm feeling that silver should come down now. When to decide? So if you want to decide once this candle close below this level of 212.30, so this will be your short trade. As soon as the candle closes, keep the stop loss above and aim for 1:1.7 target. And if you want to keep the stop loss like this, just on the low high of this candle, then you can take the stop loss here, and this will be 1:1.7 somewhere here if this candle close below 212.30. so this is one small counter trade. And silver, I think silver is bouncing. Yeah, silver is bouncing, but don't carry it away. It has to sustain above this 67,968. And yeah, crude is also bouncing from the same zone. So now if it is closing above 13 EMA, then one can take the buy trade, but safe buy trade will be above this. If it is closing above 63, even 5-minute time frame will be also okay. If it close above 6392 in silver, in crude, then you can take the buy trade, but your risk reward will be like stop loss will be more than 30 points, and then your target will be 6443, and this target will be your 6485 will be your ultimate target. So let it close, 52 seconds to go. Otherwise what it will happen, like here it will go up, then it will go up and then make a double bottom and then blast. So wait for the candle to close above 13 EMA, because as of now it looks like it broke down 13 EMA and now it is coming to test the 13 EMA. So crude and silver both are bouncing, and aluminum also bounced, so our trade is still not active in aluminum. So let's see. Otherwise this scenario, like directly going up, so in aluminum it will be like breakout of this level, retest, and then it will be like this. the third scenario. Now if it is closing above this 200 EMA, so 200 EMA is placed on 212.50. So right now candle just closed, but the stochastic RSI is not showing the proper risk reward to enter at this point. So one can take this as like a scalping trade, but stop loss will be below your 13 EMA, and this will be your 1:2.2. So this is one scenario that one can play, but here this will be the kind of a scalping trade because stochastic RSI is not giving signal of a buy as of now on 15-minute time frame. So here both the scenario can be played in aluminum, down and up. And again crude is again back in the same zone. No, it is not divergence. There is no divergence in aluminum. So wait for the candle to close below this or close above this. But chances are there that it can bounce up, but it has to be a bit down. Like if you see here, double bottom, bounce. So this will be like much more confident if this type of scenario is there in stochastic RSI. But here the RSI is breaking down the trend line. So if someone wants to take the risk, short from here, keep the stop loss here, aim for 13 EMA, and then this. So this will be like one scenario if you want to take a risk in aluminum to trade. This is like a counter trade in aluminum. So I will prefer that here risk reward is in our favor. So better I can try to sell this down, because 200 EM is also there. So better to take a sell trade with small stop loss. This is like not a confirm trade. It is like we are doing a bit of counter trade. So there will be chance in counter trade our stop loss can be triggered. And look, again it tested 13 EMA going down, so we will just wait and watch. Yeah, it didn't sustain, it couldn't sustain about 13 EMA, so from 13 EMA now it is trying to bounce, sorry, not bounce, like falling. So below this the fresh selling will emerge. And let me check silver. Copper is still here if someone wants to see the copper. Let me also give you the trend line here. All the commodities are looking that they want to go down based on just a stochastic RSI. Then silver, yeah, silver is there. So this stochastic RSI is coming to retest, and then from here it can fall down. This is your silver mini. If someone is fresh or new, they can trade in silver mini. Here 1 point will give you 5 rupees of profit and loss. Yeah, this is Fibonacci for not only in 2 days, but if you see, I have plotted from this swing low till this swing high. Almost, let me adjust a bit. So this is your Fibonacci that I have arranged. But if you just apply for 2 days, so today it will look like this, and let me just delete a bit of. So this is your Fibonacci for today downfall. So it is sustaining 63834, so which is also 13 EMA. So as soon as this candle now gives breakdown below 13 EMA, feel free to short silver. So that's why you have this level. Above 67,947 you will go buy. Above this 13 EMA you will go short. Simple, there is no rocket science in silver mini. If the candle close below 13 EMA, go short. If it is closing above this 50% of retracement of this much of uptrend till here, then you go into the buy trade, and your immediate target will be this 200 EMA, which is also coming in our zone of this rejection. So crude is again back on the same level. So wait for this RSI, stochastic RSI, to make double bottom to go on the buy side. Fibonacci in other commodities. Other commodities, so far only I have applied in this silver. For the crude, I have not applied because I already have the level, so no need to apply the. But here in the copper you will see this. In copper, this is the. This is your Fibonacci, which is like the projected Fibonacci that I had earlier made. And if anyone have not watched how the Fibonacci projection will work, they can watch the video. But this is the projection of Fibonacci that I just moved to the swing low, and here it is sustaining 23.60 level and bounce from here, and this was the zone of this swing resistance, and it is keep on resisting from here only as of now, and ultimate target will be 718.90. So copper looks a bit into the falling, and natural gas going up again, and so maybe 539 it will hit soon. It will hit the target if it is sustaining above 539, like from here it can be like this. And crude is still here. Do you want to learn Fibonacci for? Okay, let me give you crude oil. So I'm going on 1 hour time frame. I'm removing everything from the drawing, so I will prefer 30. So you see this is one swing, so like this one swing, then I just move it to this swing low, and let me just move it like this. So this is, you can see it is at 23.60 level, 6376. If any candle closes above this, now let me go on the 15 minutes. So none of the candle close above this projected Fibonacci, so it was stuck between 50% and 38.2%, and then as soon as it break out, it went to 23.6, and then we can see this level. Otherwise it can retrace till 6290 of the 60%. Is it easy, quick and easy to understand, right, how I did this? Okay, and where are my levels? But since I have this, and if you want just for the intraday, so you can apply. This is simple, just for the intraday. Let me make it like this. Let me first remove everything. So if you just want for the intraday, so this is your Fibonacci. So it is coming to retrace 50%, then 61.8%. So this is your, just for the intraday, this is your Fibonacci. So 6357 you will see. So crude falling down, but so far managing this level. And natural gas wants to go up now suddenly. And copper again going down, holding resistance. Sorry. Yeah, silver, yeah, silver still holding 13 EMA, still 3 minutes to go. Safe trader will buy only above this, and safe trader, but with a little bit of risk, can sell if this candle close below 13 EMA now, and with the stop loss of this candle's high in silver. If you don't want to take the silver future, then go with silver mini, same applicable in this thing, silver mini. Silver micro, if someone wants, then it's the same. You can do your own research on silver micro, but this is silver mini and silver. So natural gas inventory data will be out at 9 p.m. So I think 6:30 play in natural 630. You mean 6:30? I didn't get it. 6.30. What is 6.30 level? 6.3. I think 6.30 play in natural gas. Didn't get it. Let's see the chart of crude on 5 minute. So double top here, double bottom here, double top, falling down, again coming to make double. Now 7:30 you will see some momentum, right? You are asking like that way. Okay, let's see. But the inventory data is at 9 o'clock. And yeah, 6:30 move is now at 7:30. Yeah, this can be. Crude is falling now. Crude is falling. Six, 7, 9. Yeah, crude is falling. I think silver will bounce now. Watch out for silver now. I will keep the NG later. Where is silver? Okay, watch out for silver. It can give you the bounce. For the smaller trader with less capital of 35,000 or 40,000, they can trade in the silver mini. So if you are want to take a risky trade, you can take a risky trade with stop loss of 67701 and target for 68,131 from this current entry. But safe trader always wait for this 50% to take out. Otherwise, this is double top and falling down. Crude Baba will come up soon. It will come down and it will try to come up. First breakdown and then going to retest, and then breakdown will be pretty much fast. But here you will see it will make the double bottom soon. It's just a wait and watch game. Those who want to take the silver, take the short trade quick with stop loss here, target till here. Risky trader only. This is silver mini. This is the trade setup with 1:4 risk reward. But let me adjust a bit. This looks good, 1:3. This is the short trade in silver now. We will give small stop loss, and once it sits above, once it's sustained above 50% of this retracement, then we will convert the position from the short to the long. But if you remember, this is a buyer wick. This is a risky trade. Yeah, look, going up silver, but it has to sustain above this. Aluminum is going up. Let me check. Silver is also up. So remove this. Already took the stop loss for the counter trade. Now if this candle close above, then we can go on the buy trade. So let me check aluminum. So aluminum still not proper confidence. If you are in short trade, this will be your stop loss. Yeah, silver is going up, but let this candle to close, because if you see here, it will try to make double top, and then there will be a chance that it will fall down. But if it is sustaining above this, then there will be a chance that it will move up. So Devanand, if you remember from the yesterday's session, this candle, sorry, if you remember from this session, yesterday's session, this candle is a signal to buy with the stop loss of here. And if this candle close above, even above the high of this candle, then you will get a target till here. Buyer wick, exactly. So you can do quick in and quick out. Aluminum, yeah, it's still buyer wick is here, this candle. This candle already close above this, and with the stop loss of this, you can enter in the buy trade. But your target will be, if you see here, let's say you enter here. I need long position. So your risk reward is almost 1:1 or less than 1:1. So if you enter on this, it is not looking prominent. But if you have to take the target till here 213, then and then it will look prominent for your buy trade. Silver is going up in the meantime. And crude still sustaining below 63.60. Nine minutes to go. This looks a bit risky to on 5 minute. It is already giving the confirmation that go with stop loss of this on the long side, but stochastic RSI is not giving that much of confidence to me, but the price will move quickly. And here we will apply the crude oil. NG is also up. So 539 already achieved. This stochastic and this support already work out, giving the push back. Aluminium trying to go up, but silver is best as of now to take the quick trade. But this stochastic RSI is not giving me much more confidence. But if you want to scalp, you can scalp till this 200 EMA or this zone. Yeah, NG already achieved this target, and will be able to touch this thing as well. 545 now. Now if you are missing the train of NG, if it is come back to 539 and takes the support, then this will be your small trade entry for your NG, if someone is missing the trade. For silver, still wait for this candle to close, but your stop loss will be, sorry, I'm watching silver mini, but still if you are watching or trading silver mini, you can watch like if it is close above this, go with the stop loss of this and take the new trade. Oh, crude is falling down. Wow, perfetto. Breakdown of this channel, and this was your signal. Look, silver is still trying to fight his zone in silver. Silver is fighting. Natural Baba is still rejecting from 200 EMA. Thank you, Dayanand. Now this is the zone for crude to watch out. 629 to 6263. Where is 6263 to 6293? So it gave the breakdown, retest of 13 EMA and then falling down. Silver is still pushing it up. Let me see the volume. Volume is, but the way it is stopping now, it is still bit kind of weird. It should be taking out quickly all these levels. It should not stop like this much. Look, on 5 minutes it's still making the rejection. Oh, again I'm watching silver mini, sorry. Yeah, now this has to be sustained and then pull back to the upside. Anyone trading in silver or silver mini or silver micro? If you are doing practice for the first time, अगर आप पहली बार practice कर रहे हो, so better है आप silver mini या silver micro से start करो. If you are trading commodity for the first time, better you trade in silver mini and silver micro. In this you will have the less profit and less loss, but it will let you understand how these contracts are working, and at least you will get to know hands-on experience with commodities. Yeah, crude support at day low, but it already made the new low. And what is the aluminum is doing? Copper is still here, and I still feel that aluminum is going up. So your small target of 1:1 almost reached here, and even you take the trade on this buyer wick candle, you will get ample amount of profit, like almost 1:1 if you take the trade from here. Silver is again bouncing and bouncing, going up. Let's see crude sustain 6322 or not. Rejection at support. Rejection at support in where? In crude. So let's aim for this swing high, today's open. On 5 minutes silver looks like it will touch here. This is silver mini and this is your silver. But be careful in silver, this will be the double top, and crude is trying to sustain and defend 6322 or 6320 level as of now. So there will be bounce from here and bounce from this zone is possible in crude. And look at the crude, look at the silver and silver mini blasting on the upside. Aluminum going also, and natural gas, what is it doing? Fantastic, directly it touched 545 support zone and blast almost 15 points. Yes, that candle buyer wick is always working in most of all the instruments. Here this was, if you see on the crude, this is seller wick. Just put the stop loss and play the game and trail the stop loss. So just one candle directly gave you the target till here. Now let's see what happens at this zone. Even the natural gas buyer wick. Aluminum already hit the target for this swing high. Let's see if it can reach till here. So now crude is below this 6322. There will be chance it will give the dip till here, and it can get stuck in the zone again and then maybe reverse. But here we will see a bit of a kind of a double top pattern, and this is at the neckline. So if it sustain below the neckline, so there will be chance. So if we see the first swing of 92 points and 111 points, so if it sustain below this, then we can see 6221 in the positional trade, or maybe even today we will watch the downfall till 6221. And let's check natural gas. Natural gas is above 545 now. Silver is also giving the target, but this zone is like morning rejection. So let's see, because this is the perfect scenario. RSI is also on 15-minute time frame, it's on the top, and it is also near the rejection zone and at 38.20 zone. And GMAT double top, double bottom at 1830. Kind of, but it's like a rounding. Silver is rocket, yeah, silver rocket. But still, it's just a retracement. And this is your profit booking 68318 if you are in silver mini, and 68350 in no silver. You have to book the profit at here, and even in this zone you can book the profit, but don't short now. Wait for the candle rejection. Don't short now, wait for the rejection of this candle, because now it is just about 200 EMA. So wait and watch. Dayanand, which silver you are trading? Silver normal or silver mini? Natural gas is keep on going up. So if this setup is done, so this will be removed now. So we played this direct, this setup is going on with the hammer candle, and now next by silver mini na. So I will keep the chart of silver mini. Yeah, no problem. Better to practice in silver mini, and then you can increase your capital. were you able to take the trade on the buy side from here on this candle buyer wick? So let's wait. This is actually rejection zone. Now it is look like a double top, so there is a time that it will go in selling, but wait and watch. If the selling comes, then you have this level to watch out, and this swing will be also working as a support, which will be 68,040. It will work as a support as well in silver, and this will be the new setup for NG, and another setup will be like, so these are the two setup, but be careful in NG, because at 9 p.m. there will be the data coming out. So now the candle is making seller wick at the resistance zone, at our profit booking zone, and also at 200 EMA, and this is going to make a double top pattern now. So let's see where it goes, if it is pushing down till here or not. And this crude guy try to bounce. If you are a safe trader, only take the buy trade above 6360, otherwise you can get trapped inside crude. But better to take the entry when you watch the proper candle signal, you know. Here you are getting the signal of this up. Look at the bounce, and look at the way this stochastic RSI helping you, and this stochastic RSI is now giving you the signal for the sell, but we have to wait for this candle signal. NG already going up, it is showing to book the profit. This is the swing here, this swing I am just marking, and this guy again coming to test 6360. Now just keep a watch on silver mini. There will be chance that if it makes the seller wick, then stochastic also giving you the signal, and this price action will also give the signal for the short trade, because we will see the double top pattern here. So like this you will play on both the side, doing the scalping or not holding it for the longer time. But be careful that it will come to test this 50% of Fibonacci as well. So if you are taking the trade here, your stop loss will be maximum here. First target will be this 50%. Or if 13 EMA is here somewhere, then it will be your profit booking at 13 EMA. I will be back soon in 5-10 minutes. Just taking a break, and I will be back in 5-10 minutes. You ask for the crude buy. Let me check. See, silver is still not short. Crude, no, wait for this candle to close now. Wait for the 5 minute, because here it is 6380. Wait for the candle to close, otherwise at the last 1 minute everything will be fizzle out. And 13 EM is also there. For silver, keep on this candle, and for crude, keep on this candle to close. But if you go with the buy, just imagine how big your stop loss will be. So if it is coming here 6360, then just keep the stop loss till 6346. Otherwise, it is keep on going up. But I prefer that you just take the risk in this silver mini as of now. and learn with paper trade in crude. And just give me 10 minutes, I'll be back soon. Yeah, so I'm back now. So it gave the rejection candle, but the follow-up candle is trying to go up. Let's see if it closed below this and or from here. If it is going up, then this has no meaning. And from here again trying to bounce, but 6380 level is still working as a rejection for the silver. Sorry, for crude. NG is rejecting from the same swing of this. If I just mark it here, it's still rejecting from this. Yeah, this is your silver mini trying to go up. But still rejecting. If it close above this, then forgot the short trade, forgot this stochastic, it will go up. Rejecting from 6380 crude. Let's see if it sustain here or somewhere 6346 or not. Yeah, I think American market is open. Let me see Dow Jones. So it has open gap down 400 points as of now down. Crude. Still trying to make another top here in silver. So just wait and watch game in silver. This candle will move it up quickly because all the shorts, fresh shorts, will have the stop loss here little bit above, like this rejection if you see from here. So all the people who have sorted here, their stop loss will be here, and above this it will be quick short covering because this is just a morning fall. And if you see another thing like a volume range, then on this candle if you watch, so there is no proper volume in this candle. It just fell down without volume, so all the people are most hand exchanged near this level only. So let's see how it works from here. Wait a minute, I will just answer one phone call. Sorry guys, I was on a call. Just ended the call. Yeah, so silver is still stuck in between this level and this level. Now wherever side it gives the breakdown, we can take the trade on that side. And NG already reached till this flip zone of 555, and now it is going to reject from that side. And crude is still stuck between these two levels. But my main priority will be on now silver. If silver mini goes below this, better to take a counter short trade stop loss we can keep a bit here, or you can keep a stop loss a little bit on the top of this high. But wait for this 10 more minutes to give the closing below this zone, and then take the short entry. Otherwise the reversal will be fast and furious in silver. So you can ask any questions if anyone have any question. Sorry for kept you waiting. I was on a call. Now wait for this crude candle to close above 13 EMA, then it will be buy trade. Till then just avoid, even don't sell or short it as of now. If this candle it gave one breakdown below this zone, and now if this candle closed below this 6360, then it will be short trade. But in case if goes above 13 EMA, then you can take the buy trade with stop loss of 6345. And silver, and let's check what is aluminum doing. So aluminum is still in the buy trade, it's still going on, but chances of reversal will be there because this stochastic RSI has broken the trend line. So we might see a bit of maybe the target it will achieve and then it will come back. If you are in long, stay long here and trail your stop loss to cost. Silver is still bouncing. Wait for the candle to give the closing properly. Yeah, wait for this candle to close on either side to take the trade in silver. Silver rocket already, yeah, but book the profit if you are in long here, and this will be your ultimate target. Once it goes above, could be able to reach this 23.60, and still 7 more minutes to go for this candle to close in crude. Or if you are impatient, then you will see on 5 minutes it is going to make a double top. So 5 minutes is suggesting that one retracement will come to go give a downfall, but better not to watch 5 minutes more, only go with 15 minutes. I'm expecting one down move in silver for sure. A down move should come in silver. If it is keep on going up, then it will be a bit it should retrace a bit, at least till here 50%, then it will be proper to take the again long trade from here. And it's still sustaining this trend line in the stochastic RSI. So here it's just a tug of war between let me apply the fixed range volume. So if I apply, so this is like a tug of war. So now this zone should, if you see the volume, the hands exchanged here are the major hand exchange here. If it goes below, then this zone will be working as a support. So even if you take the short trade, so this will be your support. And if you want to take the buy trade, and if it retrace here and you find the stochastic RSI somewhere near 40% and make a double bottom here, and if it gives the any buyer wick rejection type of a candle from here, then it will be again buy trade. Aluminum is still there, and NG Baba wants to hold this. So just if you have the levels, how much point you get from here? Almost 26-25 points. Silver doing its best to sustain this 200 EMA. In the meantime, let's watch Dow Jones as well. So it is keep on going down and down, and 13 EMA crossing below 200 EMA, so it will be sell on rise because this is a signal of a downtrend. So if it is rising from any of the swing, we can also sell. Just this is just for the education purpose, like how this will work. Let's stick to the silver and crude is still failing to give the closing above 13 EMA. Crude max volume 6474. 6474, if it is a max volume, then you will remember that Fibonacci that I plotted, it was showing 6474. Just if we take only this much of range, so 6342 is a max volume here, and this is another max volume here, 6380. So this is proper range now for the crude. Here the volumes are there, but this will be your kind of a rejection area. If it makes the doji like this, then wait for the breakout of this high or breakdown of this low in silver. Yeah, but you never know in crude or any commodity, at the last moment it will quickly go up and close above this. Same like this candle, it gave the breakdown but quickly go up in the next candle. Now this is the decision making candle, and also stochastic RSI. If you watch here, the blue value should be below red value. So blue value is still more than red value, so there is a chance that still it will go up. So you want to check for the aluminum. So aluminum, yeah, it is rejecting as of now from this swing only. And if you want to see the fixed range volume profile, so let me apply from this to this. So this is the most volume above which it is already trading, even if it is coming down. So you see the most hands exchange are here in this range 212.70, and from that it bounced, and here there is a less hands are exchanging. So if it goes down and breaks this swing, then it will be the sell trade. So NG data will be out in 30 minutes, and NG is already at the top. So before the data, if it is somewhere here, then there will be chance that it will pull it down as per the technical setup. And in the meantime, crude is making silver seller wick candle as of now. Silver wants to go below this, but 200 EM is supporting good. But this type of candle is undecisive, so you cannot enter on this. It has to either close below this 200 EMA, then you can take the counter trade with small stop loss till this day's high wick, sorry, not day's high, this candle's wick high, and then aim for this level and this zone. But remember, this zone has a highest hands exchange, so there will be chance that it will stop here. But if it is break quickly, then there will be chance that it will retrace to come back here. NG was just a signal that it was support, and the RSI was also at the bottom. So this was the one, like if you want to plan, you can take the buy trade with this stop loss and you could have taken this entry, but it is nevertheless to it is not make sense to talk now after this up move, but this buyer wick candle is the proper signal for you to go long and wait for this. Now it is again stochastic RSI coming, so now you can take a sell trade as a counter trade in silver, but be careful, go with only. So again we are going against the trend, recent trend, but overall trend is now, if you see from the top, overall trend has become the negative, but it is again pulling it up. So short trades are not properly working as of now. I can see the short trade will only work if this stochastic RSI is below this support trend line. Till then silver has the power to keep on bounce because it is near 200 EMA. So let's just assume if this thing will give the trade or not. If you want to practice, you can just do with the paper trading. And this is seller wick in the crude. So let's see, if you want to take the entry, just mark this one, and 61.80 is coming at this 6358. So if it is bouncing till 6358, so from here you can take the short trade with this much of stop loss only, and then breakdown of this low will give you the good fall, and this will go to make double bottom. It will go to make like double bottom, and then it will come back. Yeah, silver is not willing to go down, still it has a power to go up. So this is like 1:2.5. One profit you will book either at 50% or at this zone, and if you have 2 lots, and then trail 1 lot with cost to cost stop loss. And let me see what is the footprint is showing. So as of now it is showing blue, sorry, as of now it is showing green, so buyer has strength. If it is in the red, still it is green 4, green 6, green 4. If it is going in negative, then the seller will be having the strength now. As of now still buyer has the strength. Overall, if you see here, so this volume will just show you the total volume traded, but here this indicator will show you the total from the total volume, so the difference between seller and buyer hands exchange. So as of now, if you see, there are more buyers who are willing to purchase. If it is going in negative, then we will see that it will be more seller. So as of now still buyers are showing their strength. And aluminum, yeah, aluminum already broke, and we mark this level. If I just put the volume profile, so if you see this level and this swing, which is having the highest hands exchange, these are the working as a immediate swing support. So it has to at least close, aluminum has to close below this zone of 212.70. Then the seller will be much more active. And here 13 EMA trying to cross 200 EMA, so it will give the uptrend. So here we have we watch like 6358, which was like 63.5% of this candle, 61.6358. So if it is coming here till 6358 and immediate made the rejection, then one trade will be there for the downside. So 6358, wait if it is coming till here, and stop loss will be this candle's high. In the meantime, let me keep this natural gas inventory open and chart of natural gas. So it will be out in 1 hour. Silver already I told you, enter now with this stop loss, this candle, and it will only give the big selling momentum once this stochastic RSI goes below it. But here it's a pretty good risk reward for going into the sell trade as of now. From here as well you can activate your sell trade. Stop loss will be this, target will be this and 61.80. Dow Jones is still going down. Here it will make double bottom, so there will be chance that it can bounce back, but where is the support? So support is somewhere here in Dow. So Dow is in the support. Let's come back on our silver. Where is it going? Still 6 minutes to go. On 5 minute, what is it doing? 5 minute already. If you see on the 5 minute showing a bullish up move because RSI is down. But let's not go with 5 minute. We are happy to give this much of stop loss for this much of 2:5 risk reward, 2.5:1 risk reward. And once it close above, then we have the rocket. Silver will be much more rocket then. And this guy is not stopping. NG rejection and going up. So it gave the breakout of this 551 retest, and then it is still going up. Yes, for silver, if you want to take the safe trade, wait for this stochastic RSI to go below, or even if this candle is closing below the low of this candle, you can also take the sell trade and keep the stop loss of the candle high, whichever candle is giving the closing below the low of this candle. But it will be scalping. Consider this as a scalping trade. Quickly take quick profit at this 13 EMA or 50%, and this zone you have to book at least profit. And if it is trading below this, then sudden quick red candle will come to directly 61.8. But personally I am already in a sell trade. Right now it is just showing cost to cost. My entry is at 68,106. This is showing 108, but my is 68106, and my stop loss will be here. This is my stop loss. Crude Baba rejecting from this 6358, so which is a 63.5% of this candle, and then take the sell trade, aim for max to max this target. First target will be this 6323 or 6322. Look, I'm still in the trade, so let's see. So far I have observed that if crude is going up, then silver should fall down, but I'm not sure, but most of the time I have observed that if crude is going up, then silver will fall down. So this is silver, NG Baba is here, then aluminum still there. What is another commodity is pending? Copper rejecting from this, and also give the breakdown of this. So whenever it is near the support, better to sell it, and it will give the breakdown by default because it has no way to go up. And look at this again, coming back to cost, even in the loss, it's running in the loss now. So copper is now taking support from 200 EMA, and this guy doesn't want to stay below, and this candle is a risky to enter, made a kind of a doji. If it closed just at the same price, it is a doji, no need to enter in this. Crude trying best to at least take out 6358, but not able to take out 6358. Hope it is very easy to understand. Once you plan your loss, so if I see how much loss I will be giving, so my loss will be 200, almost 216 points per one lot. NG rejection, where is natural gas? Yeah, because it is keep on going without, only retest one is there, it has not retest this 545 breakout. Expecting this guy to fall soon, and look, so NG inventory data will be out in 17 minutes, sorry, yeah, for 16 minutes NG data will be out, and stay cautious. It has a little bit of buyer wick, but if it is closing below this, worth to take a sell trade, because you will be giving 200 points of SL, which will be like 1000 rupees per lot, but here you will be taking how many points? First will be almost 200 points, and then for the second lot 500 points. So you will make 1:1 ratio here, and here you will make 1:2.5 ratio risk reward. Let's wait how it's play out. Still not able to close below the low of this candle, and it is doji, complete doji, no signal. This guy now coming below. Still my trade is active, huh? I will exit on stop loss, or if it is giving me this 50%, I will book one. I will book the second here, and the third one I will keep it here. Otherwise here I will book all three with the loss. NGA and crude and copper. Copper is at the base now. Aluminium bounce from this to 12.70, and silver is still here, touched at stochastic. Look, now here if you see, this candle is showing as of now a red. So now seller trying to get the control over this, but if it is turning green again, then the buyer will be taking the control. Dayanand, can you see the candle in NG 15-minute chart? If you want, you can take the 5 sorry, if you want, you can take the 550 PE, but I will advise better to let the data come out in 15 minutes, and then there will be this crazy volatile will go everywhere. But as of now, the technical, if there is no event, if we consider there is no event, then this candle is one sign that it will go down. But price action will not work once the price will move based on event or some news. If crude is going up, then this guy should go down. So 61.8 is 555.8. Let's see how this candle is working. Now this guy is having some trouble to go above this zone, and the data has as of now turned a little bit of green. Retest in silver. Yeah, it is retesting, but I'm still with the 3 lot of this silver mini because I want to book the partial profit. That's why I'm trading in silver mini. And if you go in silver, you will get one lot which is like 1 point is 30 rupees, but in that you cannot book partial profit. That's why I'm trading with this silver mini. I have 3 lot at this 68106. Let me put 68106. Again it becomes red here, so fight is on, and this NG Chacha is not willing to activate this seller wick candle. Hello Rahul. किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन हो पूछना हो पूछ सकते हो, और वीडियो को लाइक करो भाई, प्लीज़ डू लाइक वीडियो, show us your support. GJ13 भाई दूध વેચ્યું दूध. Still rejecting from 6360 in crude. Okay, in 8 minutes the data will be out. In 7 minutes the data will be out for natural gas. चलो, silver giving me 100 points. મજામાં એકદમ મજામાં. So I booked one lot at 13 EMA now, holding 2 lots. होल्ड करूँ जो होल्ड कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी 2 लॉट नाउ. एक लॉट बुक कर दिया 13 EMA પર. यहाँ पे અહીંયા મેં એક લોટ બુક કરી દીધો છે રાહુલભાઈ, અને બાકીનો લોટ હોલ્ડ કરવું જોઈએ. આમાં 3 લોટ લીધા હતા મેં અહીંયાથી. જોઈએ હવે શું થાય છે. લેટ્સ સી વોટ હેપન્સ નાઉ. My exit price was 67971. So my exit price was 67971 for one lot. Now holding 2 lot. I would like to book the second somewhere here at 67871. Or maybe I will hold it. Look at your stochastic RSI. One can see like head, shoulder, and breakdown. This stochastic RSI already showing that signal that there will be one pump and then dump. This is what I'm expecting in NG. NG में मैं अभी expect कर रहा हूँ कि एक pump आएगा and then dump आएगा डेटा के बाद. मैं गलत भी हो सकता हूँ, but this is what I'm seeing in NG as of now. It will pump and then it will dump. Crude still not proper trade as of now. But if you are in short, you can short the crude with stop loss of 6380, target of 6292. Let's see. So if we see here, almost 1 raised to 0.8 target. Not good, but it's okay to book partial profit there. નિફ્ટી બેંક નિફ્ટી છે ને હમણાં રાહુલભાઈ નિફ્ટી બેંક નિફ્ટી આપણે કેટલા વાગ્યા છે તારે 9 વાગે છે ને 10:30 પછી નિફ્ટી બેંક નિફ્ટીમાં હા લાઈવ આવીશ કાલે. ચલો કરીએ કંઈક કાલે, બરાબર ને? So Nifty Bank Nifty we will do the analysis after 10 PM. Nifty Bank Nifty analysis 10 बजे के बाद करेंगे analysis. आज करूँ तो ट्रेड? If this candle close below this zone, don't get crazy if it is going directly down till 61.8. So for NG, 3.5 minutes to go for the data. At least this candle has to close below 13 EMA, otherwise it will reverse. And guys, do share my channel and video with your friends. Volume is there. Let me move this. This is one scenario. Second scenario will be like this. So I will delete this scenario. And still 1.5 minutes for NG data. And aluminum, if we go for aluminum, yeah, aluminum, since this was a signal, same like silver, you know, here your cost to cost SL will be taken out if you are in long. जो गांडू था ही नेचुरल गैस पागल होगा अभी. डेटा क्या आ रहा है देखते हैं अभी. लेट्स सी. Still in the short. Do you mind Dayanand if I now delete this setup in aluminum? Aluminum not broken yet, but wait for 212.70 to close below this. It has already broken this, but still this is a signal that there is a chance to go up, because 13 EMA is now about 200 EMA and 212.70 it's still sustaining. Let's watch NG data in 30 seconds. And again this guy wants to sustain above 13 EMA. So this could be two scenario. I will also remove this so that we will see what it will do. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Down, up, down, and then again it can go down. And let's see what is the data. Not updated yet. Silver is also down, and sorry, still NG data not visible on this site. So now still in the zone. Still not showing it. Why it is taking time? Minus 50 billion. So this is, what do you think? It is a good for the price, right? Because if the supply is less than the forecast, so it means the demand is higher, but we will trade based on the price action only. So this is actually the bullish data for NG, but since I think market already anticipated that data, so it has already moved. So one retracement and then one up move is expected in NG. So as per the fundamental, NG price should go up, but as per the trader, we will trade on the levels only. Let's see where it is going now. How the market is going, no reaction, but your stochastic RSI is showing one down move. In the meantime, look at this silver. My next lot already booked, second lot already booked here, and waiting for the third lot, and I will put the stop loss cost to cost. And avoid aluminum. Not much volatile as of now. Where is crude? Crude Baba still there. So one lot booked here, one lot booked here, and the third lot, let's see where it goes. NG going down, but this data is actually bullish for natural gas price, because demand is high and supply is less. That's why if you see, the figure is in green. So if this is the scenario, then price should go up, but as per the technical, price should retrace, because the market, the people who already know the data, they have already pulled the up move in natural gas. But as per this, better not to trade NGP, but if you want to take the trade, take the 550 PE, and just keep the stop loss if the candle closes above 555, because because it will give the quick upside move as well in if it reverse, because your 13 EM is just here as of now. So there will be chance that it will go to down to kiss it quickly and then turning it up. You can take 550 PE, book the profit here, and then if it is going down from 545, it can turn back up. Look, silver again going it up. Otherwise your NG will make this type of stochastic RSI here. If you know, like, it will make kind of this, and then it will give the breakdown. So based on this news, better to avoid NG, go in the silver. If you have short the silver here, you are getting almost how many points? almost 300 or 280 points of move it has given, but we were expecting only 240. So 240, if you multiply with 5, so more than 1000 rupees per lot if you are in one single lot holding it. Look, this candle will be deciding as of now, but I will still suggest avoid NG. As per technical, it looks a bit bearish, and the news is bullish, so totally opposite. News is saying the price should go up, technical saying that price should retrace. Crude chacha at critical resistance now. This is flip zone. Because NG has not reacted any not reacted a big way that it used to react on the inventory data. So I'm anticipating that the people who already know, they already give this up move, and now those who were waiting for any big reaction, they are just stuck at here. Yeah, this is NG. Anything is possible. Look, that's why better to avoid NG. If you want, you can if this candle close now below, so far if you see, just take the candle of this bearish, most of all the candle are closing below 61.8, and all of the candles from here are closing below 13 EMA. So buyer are trying their best to pull it up, but seller are still there to push it down. And let's check aluminum. Yeah, but the candle is not closed yet, no. It has already given the signal that it will break down like this. But here you will get a lot of volatility. Here you will just have to wait for like points, 0.5, 0.10, 0.20. So if you see here, it has moved like 0.30, only 30 paisa it has moved. So I know you will be getting good profit, but it will be much more, candle, you will watch the candles are not moving much, and in the meantime this stochastic RSI will be already reaching here, then it will reverse. So let's not take a more focus, because it is also coming here to test the trend line, and this support is also there, 212.30. So this was already the signal of that stochastic RSI will go down, but moment is not there. Hardly it has moved 1 point from here to here, so which is like 5000 rupees per lot, but it will be hard to hold this much of a slow movement. And let's take the example of crude. Can the crude go up? क्या क्रूड ऊपर जाएगा? क्या सिल्वर भी रिवर्स मारेगा? बायर वीक वाला कैंडल तो बना रहा है अभी. Yeah, always look, if you have the fixed SL in your mind, you are willing to give some. Even now, look, even if it gives me the SL hit, it will be like I will be going out with a little bit of a profit, and it is, I think, now someone applied some favicol here. It is just sitting on 50%. Now it is moving. I think it is listening my voice now. So now whenever you have some zone, also apply this type of a volume profile. If you go here, you can apply volume profile, and you will see where there is a most hands are exchanged, and if you see that your zones are also there, no matter what you have to book your profit. Aluminium, what happened in aluminium? Going up or what? Yeah, it will go down now, but let it be. This was the signal, and now if you want to catch the running train, imagine what stop loss you will put here if you are entering on this. If you keep this stop loss, then it is worth it, but what are the chances that it will hit? There are high chances that it will take your stop loss. And also the stochastic RSI at the middle, so anything can happen on either side. And here also already the train has left from here. Only thing that you can watch is, I think, crude. So if you see, it is now 45, it is now above 40. Let me put 40 here. Boom, crude ऊपर गया. सिल्वर तुम क्या कर रहे हो? नीचे जाओ अभी. लेट्स सी क्या ये कैंडल 13 EMA के ऊपर क्लोज कर पाएगा. Will this candle close? Yes, once excuse me. So for aluminum, like this was like, you know, first test, you will see a little bit of kind of head and shoulder pattern, and there is a chance that it will break down. And then look, aluminum, no, don't catch this running trend now. Already it has left from the station from here. Same like the silver, the train is already left, but this zone is like one big station for the silver to take out some of your luggage or the some of your parcels or the courier from this station once the train reaches here. And this train has already left the station. This was your signal of this RSI when it was above and making this type of trend line. But now ignore the aluminum, don't watch it, otherwise you will miss something other trade like crude. Crude is giving the breakout of this 13 EMA. With this stop loss, good to go long. And let me plot this more, you will be able to understand. And this guy wants to go up. Crude breaking 13 EMA. So how will you trade this crude? Comes here, takes the bounce, go up. Otherwise you can take the trade on the live candle, not the live candle, like without retracement. If you want to take the trade, you can take the trade, but first fix your loss. Let's say if you want to, like here I took the trade on the live candle after this with stop loss of here, so I already planned that I will be able to give the 200 point top stop loss. Does I have the capacity to give the 200 point stop loss? Yes. And if I have the capacity to give that much of stop loss, then what should be my trade size? Can I trade with 5 lots, 10 lots? No, I will be just able to take the trade with only 3 lots as of now, because the chances are high that it can take out my stop loss. So that's why I first planned my stop loss, my entry, and with that I planned my trade size. So if this much of stop loss of 200 point if it will take out, then I will be able to have the loss as per my risk taking appetite. But if I'm trading with 10 lots and if it take out the stop loss, then I will be in a kind of a situation that it will make me anxious or uncomfortable. So that trade, either the trade is wrong or either the trade size is wrong. So since you already know the setup, so you trust your setup, so your trade is correct but your trade size is wrong. So always plan your trade size and then you can plan your trade. Always first fix your exit and the stop loss. Once you fix this, you will be able to take entry from any level. Now here, if you want to take the entry at this level, it will be pretty much risky because your stop loss will be here. So how much point you are going to give? It's 40 points. So let's say you are trading in future, so it will be like 4,000 rupees loss per for one lot. And here what will be your target? 64. So what is the chance of that it will take the SL? Still there is a 50-50 chance because stochastic is in between. So I will prefer that if it's coming a dip here, so I will be able to give the loss from here to here. Only 25 to 27 points I will be able to give the loss. So if it is giving me dip and I am finding the stochastic RSI above 40, I would like to take the risk of 27 points and then I would like to buy it, and then I will be keeping the target of 6420, 6444. If it is going to hit my stop loss, then I will be exiting it. And let's see the volume is also good. Let it come to test this one, 6365. I would like to enter at 6365 and then I will be happy to give the stop loss of 6342. So how many lots I will be able to take? Let's say I have the capacity to take 2 lots to give 27 points for each. So I will not plan 2 lots to buy at the same level. I will plan the first lot to buy at this level, and if this takes out my SL, then I will wait, and if it is again giving the closing above this, then I will trade with 2 lot because it will be the chance that first it gave the breakout, it is coming to retest this 13 EMA, same like this, it gave the breakdown coming to retest 13 EMA, and let's say if this retest is going above your stop loss, then again closing it here, so you will be exiting with only 1 lot of stop loss, and then it is giving you the buy trade, sorry, then it is giving you the sell trade again. So same, if it is giving you the breakdown and taking your stop loss, and then if it is coming again to give the close above this 13 EMA, then I will take 2 lot. And NG Chacha is going down as per the technical. 13 EMA is support and 544 is support. And this Chacha holding this zone. None of the candle gave closing below this zone. NG is down. क्या ये नीचे गैप यहाँ तक लेके आ सकेगा? So still somewhere around here, and now it's observing some buying. Let me apply this indicator. Let's see if it is turning green, then there is a confirmation that it will buyer will come to attack. Silver is still, the trade is still going on. And anything else, any stock or anything that you want to ask? किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं. You are still behind aluminum, huh, Dayanand? I think you love aluminum. Let me watch aluminum. Aluminum. Yeah, you already know, na? No buy. Why to buy? Why to buy randomly now? There is no signal of buying yet. In this zone, what would you do? The price will stuck here. Neither it will close above, neither it will close below. What if it is closing below? There is no signal on this. Just first this test, not don't buy immediately. Make it form like this, or at least like this rounding. Then if the price is closing above this, then it will be buy. Don't catch the falling knife like this. And look at your NG taking the support at 13 EMA. And this chacha is not willing to go down. Where do you buy from? How do you buy? How do you buy aluminum right now? Look, I will show you one example. Like, look, it was here. It first went inside this. Even it gets down here, and then it made the second bottom, and then it started to move up. So till then, wait and watch in aluminum, and watch this silver chacha. Let's see if it is taking my stop loss or not. Only one lot is there now, nothing much. And NG chacha wants to break this 13 EMA. Yeah, wait for the double bottom. Don't predict the double bottom now. Now this is already the train which already left the station, look. And now here it's also not a chance to even enter for the sale. Something is happening. This is not able to close above this. And where is crude chacha? So this low is somewhere. Still no. It's just the game of patience. If you have the patience, you are more than enough. You will be comfortable if you have the correct trade position size, and you already have the mindset to give this much of loss. Then it will be perfect to have a calm trading. Yeah, crude is still retesting. I think maybe 13 EMA will be coming a little bit up above this zone. 6360, 6365 will be one entry with a little bit of stop loss of 25 to 27 points. So okay, so 6362. Let me put one this thing long. Let's see, you can enter with just one lot and target of this. So first there is a chance like this that it will come to, this didn't come to hunt the stop loss, but this can come to hunt the stop loss. So there will be one chance that it will come to hunt the stop loss. So in this scenario we will always go with only one lot, we will not go with two lot. So because the crude one point is 100 rupees profit and loss, so there will be chance that it will easily take out the stop loss. So let's see if this is working. Otherwise the second is, once it close above, after giving this fake down, if it is closing above this, then there will be the entry for the buy again. Yeah, for the safe trader it's always better to wait for the closing. But like, let's say you don't want to give anything, any rupees in your stop loss on this type of live candle, then for the safe trader it's always perfect or always better to wait for the closing. If this is closing below 13 EMA, then this is just a fake out. It has no sense to take the trade. So SL, this is 6340, entry is 6363. So this is just with the one lot. First entry on such type of first breakout and retest, because the stop loss is very near, and also risk reward is not proper because of stochastic is in between. For the option, better to, I think you will have the next month option, because this December option already expired, so maybe you will be getting January option. So take 6400 call option, or better to go with, what is the price of 6500? Let me check. Crude 6500 January call, right? It is giving you 6350 call, 6350 call option. Are you able to watch 6500 call option? This is at 315. Okay, so here if I apply long position, so this is your entry. At this point you can take the entry. SL will be 315, target will be first target will be 337, second target. This is risky trade, go with only one lot as of now, because I found the level from only this one, this zone. So your entry will be, this is actually a bit risky because chances are high that it will hit your stop loss. And for the safe trader it's always better to wait for the candle to close, because it is already going below the low, and look here, it already take out the stop loss, so we are exiting. So here you better wait, and once it gives the closing as a, yeah, it is too costly because it just started, this series just started, you know. So here it also took your stop loss and exit. Now this is making bullish, bearish engulfing, and this guy is just holding that support, that zone. So there will be chance that from here silver can bounce. So since we already took out some profit, so we are relaxed. NG is still 545 still level, that from that it can bounce. But the trend, technically it was already showing the trend. Look, now it is just at 545. There is a chance that it will go up and make the type of, like that I told you before, a bit like this. If it is going quickly like this, then the selling will be much more faster. And after taking the stop loss, now it's holding this level in the crude. For your aluminium, aluminum is still in the zone. It came to support from here to 11.20, but gave the closing inside the zone. So let's see whichever side it close, above or below. But stochastic is able giving you signal that there will be still some little bit of retracement on the downside till the time it will make the double bottom. And look, this is ready to go up. Let's see. So my stop loss is now cost to cost 60 at 106 in the remaining one lot only. And so now if this candle close above this, then I will go with two lot. Aluminum, no, it is not rejection. No, aluminum is still like a buyer wick is there, but still sellers are there with this body. Come on, silver, achieve my target. Waiting for you with one lot. और कुछ देखते हैं डाउ बाबा क्या कर रहे हैं अभी. कहाँ गया यहाँ से बटन, कहाँ गया डाउ बाबा 600 पॉइंट डाउन हो गया. Look, now holding this, it will make for the down. You will see one trend line like this, and this is at the support. Chances bounce to 570 or till 500 from this zone in Dow. There will be this scenario possible in Dow to bounce. And copper rejection, boom boom boom, breakdown of this, coming to test 23.60. Simple. Happy to share my knowledge, Dayanand. This trade still there. It made a doji. Let me remove this. Look, it made a doji type of a candle. Let's see if it is closing above, then reversal on the upside. If it is closed below this zone now, there is a continuation on the downside. Let aluminum, can you put fib for understanding? Aluminium. Okay, let me go to the 1 hour. Let me remove all this garbage, and here you go for aluminum, and let me remove all this. So for aluminum, so what is the recent upswing? Is from here to here. This is your recent upswing, right? From here to here. If we go here, this has already given the breakout. So if we put it here, so this was like the forecasted target till 220, but it gave the breakdown below this. So now the upside moment is not there, so it is already giving the swing low. So this is not going to help us now because the price is not reacting to that. So we have to take a little bit of bigger view like this. So we have to see the little bit of bigger view like this, and in the meantime this wants to go down and down. Let me just put the alert below this swing low so that it can blink. So this is from this point to this point, so it is in between 50% and 38%, and here it has bounced from the 60%, 61.8% of fib retracement. Did you understand, Dayanand, just based on this? Okay, perfect. Still bouncing from 545. NG is hard to do the scalping, huh? And look now, still in this zone in 15 minutes. And what is the crude baba up to? Crude baba is just someone applied again Fevicol in crude baba. Okay. Yeah, now it started to fall. Yeah, crude is beja fry right now. That's why this was the perfect entry to take the trade, you know. This doji. This is like someone who took the NG, then 5 minutes we have to see. Yeah, after 5 minutes again. But better avoid NG now. This is like a crazy guy. This is such a zone that it can also come back inside this zone and it can bounce crazy till 564. So finally it is like it break out and now it is retesting this 545, because here it was just directly going like it broke, it retest and then went up. But here when also this zone is not retested, like breakout and retest, so this level is also like retesting. If it retests here, then there is a chance that it will move up from here. And look at this zone in silver, still standing and supporting strong. If I watch on 5 minutes, So 5 minute in silver is saying that there is a chance that it will pull up. So 13 EMA, the 13 EMA value is 67,968. And if you want to watch NG on 5 minute. Yeah, but there is a chance that it will pull it up, but don't trust NG on 5 minute. I'm not trusting NG on 5 minute. Yeah, again silver is just playing in this zone. So far doesn't look a proper trade in any other commodity now. Just moving here and there. Silver looks to bounce, but let's see how it will give the closing. Wait for the 4 minute. But this was the perfect trend to perfect station to enter. All the commodity, if you see, silver, then if you watch copper is also same. Then natural gas was almost like that, but still it is showing that it wants to go down, but on 15 minute it can make like a little bit of this type of movement. Then aluminum was also, and if you see crude earlier, this is the crude which was also a breakdown, and this was one confirmation from the price to take a risk to go on the sell trade. So let's go and watch silver as of now here. Aluminum, yeah, aluminum, copper, silver and crude, all of the three were giving that signal with the stochastic. And this guy is still playing his own game. What can we say to this? Let's see what is the volume. What is the volume? Volume is not much, it's still so. If it breaks down below this, it needs a crazy volume like this candle. The follow volumes of the selling should come, otherwise there is a chance that it will go up. Okay. So so if you see, it has to at least cross this swing in NG, but still nothing. This was one sell trade, but this was a trend that was giving the signal for the selling. But this silver, then crude, and then copper, and then aluminum, all of these were giving the proper signal to have the sell trade. 700 points down. Still stochastic is there. Let's see. Looks like giving closing inside this zone doesn't make any sense as of now. It's just a game of patience. If you don't have the patience, look, yeah, good thing. Last few seconds, it is going to give the closing below this zone. And I need the follow-up selling now. So here one buy trade, and from there you have the sell trade. Come on, follow up selling. Show me some strength, seller. Don't make it reverse. Yeah, crude पानी की तरह बह जाएगा. Crude will flow like a river. And come on, push down now, silver. And look at the rejection in NG as well. What a rejection. Nope, doesn't want. Silver doesn't want to stay below this zone. But as of now, the sellers trying to control it, and stochastic is already at 40, so chance that like this from 40 it can reverse are high. Let's see how it will do. गाना सुनते हैं बीच में. Let's see everything. Also the time is yeah, the more you learn, the more you will gain the confidence, and you will know when to catch the train and when to get out from the train. NG seller wick candle down. Even though data was good, price is falling. It tested this but couldn't sustain. Now coming to test 539. So chances from 539 it can reverse. So chances are there from 539 it can reverse again if it makes any green candle, and this gentleman doesn't want to go down. Still seller pressure is there. So first breakout, trying to retest but made the candle with seller wick, and now coming to test this breakout, and let's see if it is going down and make the candle like a buyer wick, then it is the confirmed retest. You're welcome anytime for the learning. Good night, Dayanand. Good night. Okay, so in the meantime, now the time is already 9:50. So let me see if I can pull out the chart for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Anyway, I will make the separate video for Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. So I think I should end the session now, and if you enjoy, do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any query, do reach out to me, or you can reach out to me in the Telegram group, and I will try to reply you as early as possible. Thank you very much for your time, and hope you guys learned something new, and all the best for the coming days. Bye bye. Good night.